Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a right triangle with a specific acute angle. I chose 34 degrees for this example, but you could choose any angle that you want so long as it's smaller than 90 degrees. So you'll start by making a segment, and then what you're going to want to do is select one endpoint of that segment as a rotational point, and when you double click it, you'll see that it makes that bullseye symbol. So the next thing you're going to want to do is select all of the segment and make sure that you get the endpoint in that selection, and you're going to go to transform, rotate, and then you're going to type in 34 degrees or whatever angle you want the acute angle of the triangle to be. So if it should be going the wrong direction, you should just type in the negative or the opposite of the number that you typed in, and that should fix that problem. So anyway, back to 34 degrees and hit rotate. Now the next thing that you're going to want to do is create the right angle. So you'll select this point up here and this side down here, and you'll go to construct perpendicular line, and if you add a point right here, you can see that we have created a right angle. And the next thing you're going to want to do is take your segment tool and make a segment here so that you can hide the rest of the line so that it doesn't show. And you're going to want to do the same thing on the bottom side. So you'll create a segment here, and that will allow you to hide this overlap. And if you were to go ahead and measure this angle, you would see that it is 34 degrees. And the nice thing about this sketch is that if you move this point, you could see that the 34-degree angle stays and the 90-degree angle stays, but the size of the triangle changes. So that might be helpful later when we're doing some investigation.